Hello guys, welcome to Jake Photo. Today I want to show you another way by which you can easily color grade an outdoor picture. So let's get started. Come here at the bottom of your image layer, select this bar here that is called create new filler, create new fill or adjustment layer. So this bar is basically a collection of different adjustment layer. So when I click it now, there are so many adjustment layer here. We have the solid color, the gradient, the pattern, brightness slash contrast, the levels, curves, exposure, vibrance, hue slash saturation, color balance, black white, photo filter, channel mixer, color lookup, invert, posterize, threshold, gradient map, and we also have the selective color. So what are adjustment layer? Adjustment layer are those layers that you can easily work with and you can easily remove them without affecting the main image itself. So when you apply an adjustment layer to an image, you can do whatsoever effects you want to do to the adjustment layer. It won't affect the main image. Though you will see the effect and you can easily remove the adjustment layer. That means you can easily remove it without affecting the picture. So that is a very good way to color grade picture. So I'm using, first of all, the selective color. You can see immediately I click it, a panel came up here, and this is the adjustment layer. So this is the main image I'm working on. The adjustment layer can easily be deleted while the main image still remain original. So I'm working on this image using the selective color panel. First of all, I want to work on the cyan. I'll click the cyan right here, select cyan. Then when you reduce the black, it will somehow fading the color as cyan. But when you increase the black, it will darken it a bit. Then if you increase the yellow, it will somehow fade in it. If you reduce the yellow, it will somehow bring the sharpness of the cyan itself. Then we increase the cyan. You can change the gene to another color, but I'm not changing it. I only want to enhance the color. So I'll increase the cyan. Then we'll go to the blue. Do same to the blue. Increase the black. Reduce the yellow. Increase the cyan. Then after doing that, go to the yellow. This time increase the black. You can see increase the yellow. Then reduce the cyan. You can see. Then after doing that, go to the white. Reduce. You can see. Observe the sky of this image. So when I reduce the black, when after selecting the white option, white color option, then when I reduce the black, it brings the highlights. See, But when I increase the black, it brings the blue, it enhances the blue of the sky. Then reduce the yellow. It did the same thing, increasing it. Then increase this here. See, we are able to enhance the sky. Then go to black, increase the black, not too much. Then I just make the black 11%. This the yellow a bit. Then, then uh, leave my cell at 13, making my cell 13%. After doing that, I goes to the red. Then increase the black to 100%. Increase the yellow 23%. Reduce the cell to -41. So after I'm done with that, the next thing I'll do, I'll close it. Then I'll clean the color from the skin. As you can see, the color enters, so I don't want it to affect the skin. I'm not minding this other image at the back here, but I'm more focused on this object here with female. So uh, select the brush tool, increase it a bit. Okay, the brush tool seems not to work. What I will just do is click this image. I'll duplicate it, the original image, not the adjustment layer now, the original image. Click it, duplicate it, press it Ctrl G, then select the duplicated one and the adjustment layer then press Ctrl E or right click after selecting both and click merge layers. So I've merged the layers. So I want to clean the skin by pressing the eraser tool, which is letter E. You see, I'm cleaning the skin. So I don't want those color effects are applied just now to affect the skin. So after doing that, let me lock the other layer so you see what I just did. When I hide that layer, You see, I just clean this one. I erase the face entirely. While this other one, the duplicated image serve as backup. So if you follow me bit by bit, you will understand what I just did. Then we'll merge the two layers together now using Ctrl E, that is the shortcut. Go to skin file, that's what I'm using in my filter. Okay. I'll increase the tolerance, drop the feather, increase the amount, drop the file a bit. Also increase the hue a bit. This is where I'll bring the skin tone from. Increase the brightness a bit. Then drop the shadow a bit. Then the highlight, increase it a bit. After that, I press OK. So this is how you can easily color grade an image using Adobe Photoshop. So what I just used is an adjustment layer called selective color. So I adjusted several colors to achieve what I just achieved now. So if you follow me bit by bit, you will understand everything I do. It's very simple. So that is how you can easily color grade an image using Adobe Photoshop. So if you watch the previous tutorials, I also use other patterns how you can color grade an image. I did a tutorial on how you can color grade an image using Capture One Pro. I also did another tutorial how you can also color grade an image using another adjustment layer called solid color. So this one I just did now is using the adjustment layer called selective color, and I adjusted several colors over there. So this is the before, this is the before, this is the after. Observe it very well. This is the before of the image before I edited it, and this is after editing. So this is how you can easily color grade an image using Adobe Photoshop. Observe the before, the after, the before, the after, the before, the after. So thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe to JPhoto and also follow our blog using the link below on all our videos. So thanks very much, and don't forget to share these videos to your friends and other creative experts and beginners out there who are looking for tutorials like this to watch. Thanks very much.